We live in, I call it small town USA. Food is kind of the centerpiece.
We live in beef country, so we're always focused on making sure that that's the star of our plate.
This tradition of the dinner, we love to have the kids come out.
They just don't have the opportunity to go out to a fancy place to go to dinner before prom or homecoming. So we decided as a community that the families would put these on. Whoever the host is cooks the meat, and then everyone else brings the sides.
Tonight, they're going to be blessed with prime rib. I'm a personal fan of keeping it simple, some kind of binder, and salt, pepper, garlic. You know, you got to throw that first piece off to the side and cut it into, bite-sized morsels so everybody can enjoy it. I enjoy having these kids over, and then the after party with their parents here is just as fun as seeing the kids all dressed up. It's just a way to bring the community together and have a good time and eat beef.